this is Tiash. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very healthy Christmas fruit cake, and it's very easy. Come, let's join me. This one is alcohol-free version, and a day before I started chopping the dry fruits and soaked them in orange juice. On the next day, I added grated fresh ginger, orange zest, and spice mixture onto that soaked dry fruits. I used 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, and grinded them together, and then added half spoon of allspice powder into it. Now I'm gonna add this spice mixture into the soaked dry fruits. The butter and the brown sugar together until they are very fluffy and airy. Here I have taken 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of dark brown sugar. All the dry ingredients together. Here I have taken 1 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, and then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder in it, and also 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I don't add baking soda in Christmas fruit cake, only baking powder. Gonna add the wet mixture into the dry mixture, and I'm gonna fold them slowly. I will do the cut and fold method so that it remains airy. The liquid here is the orange juice. I have added little bit of orange juice while mixing the butter and the brown sugar together, because I felt it was so difficult to mix them without any liquid. Please look at the consistency of the batter. It's thicker than the normal cake batter, and it should be like that. we will bake it very slowly in the oven for a long time. Now I'm gonna add all the dry fruits mixture slowly into the cake batter. I have added little bit of flour into the dry fruits mixture so that it can distribute evenly into the cake batter and don't rest into the bottom. Orange juice first, then I added half cup more, and I used 1/3 cup of each type of dry fruits. I used pecans, walnuts, almonds, cashew nuts, raisins, and dried pineapples, and some cranberries. Completely optional, but if you believe like me everything tastes better with chocolate, please feel free to add 1 cup of your choice of chocolate. Here I used 1 cup of dark chocolate, finely chopped. I baked this cake at 300 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes first. Then I reduced the temperature into 275 Fahrenheit and baked for another 50 minutes. It varies from oven to oven. Please check in between. And here is my beautiful Christmas fruit cake, guys. Look how the dry fruits are evenly distributed. It tastes delicious, believe me. So while you are waiting, go and make your Christmas fruit cake. Bye. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone.